Hello everyone, this is me Nirmal, and today we are learning together the art of gold leaf. So let's get started. We'll be needing gold leaf sheets, leafing glue, water based, brushes, palette knife, a hair dryer, gesso to prime our canvas, spray bottle, and canvas. This is 8 by 8. Okay, so let's get started with priming our canvas with the help of gesso. Here I am applying it with a palette knife. We'll evenly apply this with the help of a brush. I'm using 2 inches flat brush to spread the gesso all over the canvas. And this is how it looked like, and to fasten the process we are using a hair dryer to dry our canvas. Here, as you can see, I'm just moving my hair dryer back and forth to dry the canvas, and then I'm applying another layer of gesso. So make sure you prime your canvas with gesso layer 2 to 3 times. That it really helps our colors and material flow on the canvas without any blocks. So this is what I'm doing here as well. I primed my canvas with 3 layers basically, and again I'll repeat the same process, drying the canvas with the help of a hair dryer. And after that you can see a visible difference between an unprimed and primed canvas. Here I can show you the unprimed one. You can see pores all over the canvas, and here's our primed canvas with 2 to 3 layers. It's soft and poreless. I am now doing my calligraphy. Here I am using water-based leafing glue to actually draw the word that is heej. I'm drawing it with the help of an angular brush again. Then I placed my gold leaf over the surface and just simply remove the butter paper from the gold leaf and try to brush it with gentle hands, just so that the leaf stick to the leafing glue properly. And we'll do it with very light hand, right? This is how it looks like. And then we'll simply brush off the unwanted leaf part from our canvas. Again, we'll have to be gentle because gold leaf is a very fragile thing, and it can easily crack from your painting, so be gentle on this. Here you can see how nicely the excess gold leaf is coming off from the painting. We'll just rub this off properly to get it more detailed. We can just leave the gold leaf for 15 minutes to get it stick on the surface. It doesn't get much longer than that. Rub. So yeah. You can see the details coming out of it, and it's getting very neat with every brush stroke. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful. And give it a thumbs up if you like it. Thanks, bye bye.